This could be it, the time you finally keep this plant alive. And then, well, you don't. Taking care of plants can be overwhelming. There's overwatering, underwatering, different lighting conditions, fertilizer, and so much more.
I've been there. I was a serial plant killer too. I got tired of killing my plants, so my team at Flora came up with the Flora Pod, a smart, cute personal plant coach that takes the guesswork out of plant care by telling you exactly how much water, light, and other nutrients your plants need.
Simply place your Flora Pod into the soil of your plant, pair it with our free-to-use app, and voila! No more second-guessing how much light or water your beautiful plants need. Got multiple plants? No problem. Easily pair or unpair your Flora Pod with each plant. As different plants have different needs, Flora sends you recommendations based on your microclimate, pot size, plant species, and much more. Growing some tomatoes in your garden? No worries. Flora is dirt-proof, weatherproof, and water-resistant, so it can watch over your plants outside. The Flora Pod lasts 3 months on a single 2-hour charge, and it's made with state-of-the-art, patent-pending sensor technology, using our special magic to learn more about your plant the longer it's paired. With our app, you'll join a community of more than 100,000 plant parents, sharing their exotic plants from all over the world. It's time to let your plants thrive. Pre-order your Flora Pod today.